And definitely the topic of identity and mobile commerce is it's a hot topic right now. So what I've been seeing in the industry over the last couple of years is that identity is changing. People have used it in the social realm for several years now, but as a login structure. The unfortunate part is that a lot of people will use a channel without really understanding it, but the identity infrastructure that you're building off of is everything that's core to building a personalization engine. I've seen identity in the last couple of years, definitely starting from the brick and mortar stores and moving into the mobile web, of personalization effects. People don't want to have stale content anymore, and they want to have personalized experiences for themselves. Personalization in the mobile commerce realm is so vastly important because it leads to higher conversion rates. At the business level, that's what it really comes down to. But at a fundamental level, when you build out personalization, you have a more relevant experience to the user. They feel comfortable with it right off the bat. So you don't have that barrier to entry of providing them with the best possible experience for every single person because you're already personalized to their experiences. Fake data is a tough topic because there's a lot of data out there, and really what identity personalization is coming down to in the end, really working with big data, is that you have to be able to push that data away. When you have user curated data where users have involvement in their own data curation, the problem that you get into is that people aren't really that great at personalizing their own data and really understanding who they are as human beings. They never have been. Now, understanding who they are from their interactions and what they're doing, that's where personalization comes from. And that's the big data that needs to be pulled out. When you're creating a data infrastructure, and really the key points, and these are ones that I hit on in my talk, it's simplicity and personalization. When you are building out these experiences, the personalization effects has to be seamless, and it has to remove the complex elements. Essentially, your goal is to get user from point A to point B as easy as possible. They are inundated with things happening around them all day, different applications pulling their attention every which way. Your goal is simply to give them a personalized, comfortable experience that isn't complex. I think that the best advice that I can give is understand the channels that you're building off of, understand the identity infrastructure, and be aware that you're dealing with human beings, that this isn't just an intellectual pursuit of, can I do this? It's the pursuit of, should I do this? And really understanding that we are dealing with people. That's what it all comes down to.